Are you trying to decide between Bear, Obsidian, and Joplin? You are not alone. Let's break down these three popular note taking tools. All three apps help you organize your thoughts and ideas. They let you create notes, add tags, and keep everything in one place. But each one has its own unique features. First up is Bear. This app is known for its clean design and ease of use. It's perfect for writers and anyone who loves a simple interface. Bear supports Markdown, making formatting a breeze. You can also sync your notes across devices with its subscription service. Next, we have Obsidian. This tool is all about linking your notes together. It creates a network of ideas, which is great for research and learning. Obsidian works offline, so you don't need a internet connection. Plus, it has a lot of plugins to customize your experience. Now, let's talk about Joplin. This app is open source and focuses on privacy. You can store your notes locally or sync them with your own cloud service. Joplin supports Markdown too, and it has a web clipper for saving content from the internet easily. So, what are the key differences? Bear is best for those who want a beautiful, minimalistic design. Obsidian shines for those who want to connect their ideas deeply. Joplin is perfect for users who prioritize privacy and control over their data. When it comes to pricing, Bear has a subscription model, while Obsidian is free with optional paid features. Joplin is completely free, making it a great choice for budget conscious users. In the end, if you want a sleek writing tool, go for Bear. If you need to explore connections between nodes, choose Obsidian. And if you care about privacy, Joplin is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.